Stop trying to fix your life with complicated routines. You don't need a perfect system. You need a simple one that you can actually follow every single day. Here's a routine that resets your focus, your energy, and your discipline without overwhelming you. Wake up early, but not extreme, somewhere between 5 and 6 a.m. The goal isn't to suffer. It's to start your day before the world starts pulling you in every direction. The first few minutes decide how the rest of your day feels. Before you touch your phone, drink a glass of water. Your body has been dehydrated for hours. That one small action wakes up your brain faster than scrolling ever will. Then step outside. Just 5-10 minutes of sunlight. No music, no phone. Let your mind settle. This is where clarity starts. Now fuel your body properly. A high-protein breakfast. Not junk, not sugar. Real food that gives you stable energy instead of crashes. After that, take 5-10 minutes to sit in silence, breathe. No complicated meditation, just sit and observe. Most people never give their mind this space, and that's why they feel constantly overwhelmed. If you can, move your body. Even a short workout. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just enough to activate your system and build momentum. Now comes the most important part of your day. Deep work. No distractions, no switching tasks. Just focused effort on what actually matters. This is where progress is built. Later in the day, slow down. Read something meaningful. Not random content, something that sharpens your thinking. Keep your meals clean. High protein, balanced carbs. Eat for energy, not just taste. What you eat directly affects how you think. Step outside again. Fresh air, sunlight. Reset your mind before the evening. And don't forget this. Connect with people. A short conversation with family or friends keeps you grounded. Discipline doesn't mean isolation. Do something creative. Write, draw, think, even 15 minutes. This is where your brain expands beyond routine. At night, keep things simple. Eat light. Avoid heavy screens before bed. Give your brain time to slow down. Take a few minutes to reflect. What did you do right? What needs to improve? Plan tomorrow so you don't wake up confused. Then sleep. Same time every night. Around 9 to 10 p.m. your body runs on rhythm. Fix your sleep and half your problems disappear. This isn't a perfect routine. It's a repeatable one. And that's the difference. You don't need more hacks. You need consistency. Follow this daily and slowly. Without even realizing it, your focus sharpens, your energy stabilizes, and your life starts moving in the right direction.